welcome to the InnoRenew CoE Workshop and Machine Shop Laboratory. Follow me around and I'll show you around the shop. Within our workshop, we utilize state-of-the-art equipment to transform materials from their initial shape into useful items, precision manufactured test specimens, and even works of art. We hope that you enjoyed your tour around our workshop, and we invite you to come visit us in Republic of Slovenia to co-create new products, learn new woodworking skills, or just enjoy the beautiful art of woodworking.